everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, this is a monthly subscription for makeup. You get makeup and skincare. You pay $21 a month. You get 5 to 6 full-size items and they include makeup, skincare. It can be from affordable brands or even high-end brands. So let's see what this August Boxycharm has inside. So you usually get a card with all of the information of the products that you're getting for the month and the theme. So for this month, the theme is Life of the Party. And in here you can see a picture of many different YouTubers. And if you open it up, you can see a list of all of the products. So at the bottom it says this box was curated by Laura Lee, and at the bottom you can see this number 1. That means this is variation 1. Everyone gets a different variation every month. What they do is that you take a beauty quiz. Depending on your answers, they decide which variation is better for you. So I got the number 1. The first thing I see is this House of Lashes, and this is in the style Bombshell. This retails from, well, it says in here from $9 to $12. That's because everyone gets a different type of lashes. The next thing is this Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick, and this is in the shade of Script Matte. And this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so beautiful. I actually love these shades for lipstick. There are many different variations of Smashbox lippies, so I'm not sure exactly the price of this one, but depending on what you get, the prices range from $9 to $12. The next thing is this Bank Beauty gel liner. So this is what it looks like, and this is the color that I got. So this is a chocolate eyeliner. It says that you can use this as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even touch up your brows. This creamy chocolate tone pomade is the ultimate triple treat. I'm very excited to try this out, and this product retails for $22. So the next thing is this I hope I'm saying it right, Ades New York Organic Infused Age-Defying Nail Treatment Essentials Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. This is actually perfect because, as you can see, I need to do my nails. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. And this retails for $18. Now, I know you've been waiting for me to take this one out. I did it on purpose. I am so excited for this. This is from Laura Lee Los Angeles and is her Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is even prettier than the spoilers. Wow, look at that bottoms up shade. It's so glittery. Oh my god, it has a very nice mirror right here, and it's like so compact. This is perfect if you wanna bring it to travel. This obviously was created by Laura Lee. This is Laura Lee's own brand called Laura Lee Los Angeles, and this palette retails for $19. But this is so cool. I know we've been getting a lot of eyeshadow palettes, and in previous months we got many eyeshadow palettes with more wearable colors, so this is a nice change. The last thing is this Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. We get 3 Gold foil under eye masks. They brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. It has hyaluronic acid that diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, and it has aloe leaf extract and lavender oil that cools and soothes the under eye area. This is so perfect. I'm excited to try these. And this product retails for $13. So yeah, that's it for this month's box. If you are interested in joining Boxycharm, I'm going to leave my referral link in the comments down below. Also, I wanted to share the president and CEO of Boxycharm. His name is Joseph Martin. He has an Instagram account in which he usually shares sneak peeks of products that are coming in the following months. So if you want to go and follow him, you will know ahead of time what products are coming. And they shared on their YouTube channel and their Instagram accounts that Boxycharm is going to have now an upgrade which is called BOXY LUX. It's an optional upgrade. If you want to have it, it's going to be $50 for a much bigger box. You can see the size of this. It's probably gonna be like, I don't know, like 3 times bigger than this box. And it says to contain about 8 full-size products of higher end makeup. It's gonna be a quarterly box. It's not gonna be every month. If you want to upgrade, you can. You just have to pay $29.99 additional to the $21, I believe. And it's gonna happen next month. Is gonna be the first one, and it's only gonna happen in like every 3 months. So first one is in September, next one will be in December, and so forth. So if you wanna take advantage of that amazing deal, because basically we're going to receive about $300 worth of product for only $50. So hurry up and sign up for Boxycharm so you have the opportunity to upgrade for Luxy Box. Those are only for subscribers. No one who is not subscribed to Boxycharm will have that chance. So go ahead and subscribe and enjoy the Boxycharm. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I thank you so much for watching. If you want me to keep bringing these every month, let me know in the comments. I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.